In this video, we will show how to install Kaspersky EDR Optimum. Cloud and on-premises options are available and they look and feel the same, so the installation process you'll see in this video is the same for both. We're assuming Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Business is installed already. If not, you can see how this can be done here. So, we log into the console. The first thing you see in the console is the dashboard with information on the number and nature of threats, status of the protected devices, virus activity, and so on. All of this can be configured and customized according to your specific needs. In this tutorial, we're using a number of devices with Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Business 11.4 already installed and with endpoint protection deployed. As a first step, we need to install the web plugin into the console so that it can control EDR Optimum. To do this, we go to the Web Plugin section and click Add. The plugin that we need right now is the English version of Kaspersky Endpoint Agent, the app containing the core functionality of Kaspersky EDR Optimum. So we choose it and press Install. After the successful installation, we get a pop-up confirmation message and move on to the next step. This next step creates a policy for the endpoint agent management. In order to do that, we go into the Devices, Policies section and click Add. Select Kaspersky Endpoint Agent and click Next. Now we set up the agent by selecting Kaspersky EDR Optimum, as in this case we are only installing it, and click Next. Check the parameters and press Save. The policy has been created and is applied to all the protected devices. Now let's set up the policy. First of all, we need to allow a threat formation chain to be generated. Make sure the appropriate box is checked and the Enforce lock is set. Then press OK. Now let's go to Infrastructure Settings and make sure EDR Optimum is activated. We switch the Enforce lock to green and press OK. After that, we just need to save the policy. Now we need to generate the Endpoint Agent installation package for EDR Optimum. We just need to go to Deployment and Assignment, Installation Packages. Click Add. Create an installation package for a Kaspersky application, then press Next. To search for installation packages faster, you could filter them, for example, by language. And here we'll need to find Kaspersky Endpoint Agent, Distribution Package. You can click on it to see the package information and to download it. Once it's done, we go back to the console. Now we need to install it on all protected devices. To do that, we need to go to Devices, Tasks, and click Add. Now we create a task for the installation package deployment. In our case, for all managed devices. We select the whole group of devices for which we want to install the product and where our device is located. Then we select the downloaded package and finish task creation. Now we need to launch the task for installation on the endpoint. To check the product has been installed, we go to Results, and here we can see that deployment has been successful on all devices. Now we need to activate the product, so we go to Operations, Kaspersky Licenses, and add Kaspersky EDR Optimum License. The license has been added, and now we need to distribute it to the endpoints. To do that, we open Tasks and create a new task for product activation. We need to choose Kaspersky Endpoint Agent Application and Activation of Application Task Type. We apply it to all devices, select our added key, and launch the task. As before, by opening task properties, we can check that the result has been successful. So now Kaspersky EDR Optimum is installed, activated, and ready for work on our infrastructure. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the next video where we will show you how you can use Kaspersky EDR Optimum in your daily work to gain visibility, perform root cause analysis, and respond to detects.